Hey foodies, let's make this easy but yet delicious stir-fried steak and green beans. Let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, now let's start marinating our steak. Today I'll be using some beef chuck steak. It has been thinly sliced, but feel free to use any cut of steak that you like. I will start marinating with a bit of sweet soy sauce. Then I will come in with some Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. I will also add some regular savory soy sauce and some oyster sauce. I will add a bit of grated garlic and ginger. Then I will add some baking soda and some white pepper. You want to mix that well to combine and set it aside to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's prepare a simple sauce. To a bowl I have some water and I will add the same sauces that we use for the steak. I will also add some cornstarch to thicken. We will mix this well and set aside. Now let's blanch our green beans. I will add some salt to a pot of boiling water and we will add the green beans. Blanch them for about 3 minutes. Then you want to run some cool water to stop the cooking process. And yeah, that's it. Now to a wok, I've been preheating some oil. Now we'll go ahead and cook the steak. You want to cook this thoroughly and you don't have to worry about it being tough because we have tenderized it with the baking soda. That process is called velveting the meat. So we will cook this thoroughly and you want to keep tossing continuously until all the meat is brown and cooked through. And once it is cooked through, we will follow up with the Asian Trinity, which are onions, garlic, and ginger. You want to give that a good toss and allow it to go for about a minute or two. So at this point, you want to come in with that sauce that we made, give it a good toss and allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, you want to follow up with your green beans, add them in, give that a toss as well, and that's basically it. We are all done. This was quick, easy, and simple. Perfect for a weeknight dinner. And trust me guys, you will never visit that Chinese restaurant ever again after you taste this. It was so amazing and I can't wait for y'all to give the recipe a try. Now I did play this up with some plain white rice. That's all you need. You have your vegetables and your protein and I paired it with some rice and it was chef's kiss. So like I said, give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients in the caption or the description box and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.